So now let's see how we can utilize the blend tool inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go around and take two shapes. Let's say, for example, I'm going to take this rectangle and color it, let's say, for example, green right here. And I'm going to go around and take another shape right here. And let's say I'm going to go around and color this red right here, just like this. For the edges as well, let's just go around and choose similar colors. So I'm just going to go around for a reddish, like a more magenta tint right here. And then I'm going to go around onto this shape as well. And then I'm going to go around and select, let's say, for example, a greenish tint right here and press OK. So now in order to go around and then blend them out together, what you need to do is you need to go around over here onto this section right here, and you can see that blend is an option. So simply go around and click and drag around the shapes together right here, and it blends it out, as you can see right here. So you can see that it changes from one shape to another right here, just like this. You can go around and move these shapes out, as you can see right here, and you can see the blend in action just like this as well. So just like this, you can see that this is what you have. Apart from that, you can go for clockwise bend, or you can go for counterclockwise bend right here. You can go around onto object right here, like acceleration, as you can see right here. You can change around the color around over here as well. And you can also go around, change around the color lock right here to change it out on how it looks. You can go around and go for gaps right here, just like this, as you can see, and you can split it out as well. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here, and then let's say, for example, apart from that, you can change around the number of shapes that you have right here, just like this for the blend, or you can go around and increase it out according to how you want as well. Let's say, for example, let me just go around, have, let's say, for example, there's 6 7 shapes and so forth right here, just like this, as you can see right here. And this is how you can go ahead and work around with the bend right here, as you can see here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with the blend tool inside of Corel Draw. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.